shall live always. But we must sit and read more of Jah instead of fussing every day. And show mankind clear this just say, and we don't do this of the devil's will.